Hello, let me show you how to shut off the gas to your home. The home has multiple individual gas shutoffs. One is behind the oven, one is under the water heater in the garage, and the other is in the laundry room behind the clothes dryer. When you smell natural gas, it is extremely important for you to utilize these gas shutoff valves. To shut off the gas valve, turn the handle clockwise. A shutoff handle in line with the pipe means that it's on. A shutoff handle crossways to the pipe means that it's off. The number one thing to remember if you smell gas is to call the gas company, as they will be able to detect the exact source of the leak and will provide the necessary safety steps.